morning, gentlemen. As you saw first few seconds and few minutes of this video, you saw how I wake up, what I did, and got so much of exhausted by doing this jogging. Now let's do some push-ups. Let's hop into it, and after these push-ups, let's start the content. Let's start the what is the information in this video. Let's go. Just done with workout, as you saw the video. Simple workout, just woke up around 6:30 and done 7:30. Just simple stuff, cardio, some stuff of jogging, push-ups like 100 to 150 push-ups and crunches. If you put this aside and clicked on this video and see the thumbnail, if you are in the age gap between 17 to 27 and you are so lost what to do with your future, this video will give you a perspective of your life and the clarity of your life. For now, throughout this video, just put your mind blank, everything blank, because I want to put something in your mind, something in your life that is very important. I know how a 17-year-old think and a businessman think. You need to think like a businessman now and do stuff what businessmen do, what people you adore do. You know what? My dad used to say a lot and it inspires me a lot. I'll say you that. So listen to this. Like when I am in my teenage years, now I am 21. So my dad used to say, in this world you do not copy paste people, you need to be unique. This inspired me a lot. This is the biggest life lesson I heard in my entire life. I'll drag this point for you guys. Like I'll explain you this, that you guys never want to copy someone, never need to copy someone, because if you copy someone, there is nothing unique identity for yourself. My dad said this. If you want unique identity for yourself, you need to achieve some good things in life and inspire people. Get inspired by people, read a lot of books, and put all them in your style, in your daily life. I'll say read books. You know what you guys need to do in the age of 17 to 27, in between of these? In the starting, like if you take for example a 17-year kid, bro, go and start a YouTube channel. Even you are not getting content, put stuff daily, like put random videos, put yourself, show your face to everyone. If you're not understanding what to do, I'll give some examples to you. I know you guys play sports, you guys love something. Everyone have some different types of love towards their goals and towards their passion, and all have hobbies, right? If you are able to do gaming on YouTube. If you can able to do sports, put some random stuff of sports by showing yourself, showing your skills. If you have that knowledge to inspire people and you have some stuff in your brain to inspire people by your knowledge, your own knowledge, do it. There is nothing wrong in it. Don't see other people's opinions about you. Just do yourself, do your work. While you are pursuing your careers in any type of educational platform, schools, colleges, universities, I will say learn a skill. Sales, video editing, image editing, stocks, investments. I will not say go and invest in stocks, but learn about stocks. It will help a lot in your future. So now I'm gonna talk about the most important thing in your life. the most important thing. Can you say what is that? If you know, just write below in the comment section. So, it is health. Without health, you can't do anything. Many people have dreams that they want to become a millionaire and get good jobs, good stuff. Without health, you can't get anything. So prioritize your health first. Your body is a engine, and if you just take an example, if you take a car and if you not use it well, will it start? No, right? So you need to work every day, go hit gym, go do some physical activity like yoga, meditation, jogging, running. It helps you a lot and it make yourself get disciplined a lot. Most important thing you need to know in your teenagers, like teenagers are the only people are most distracted ones, but it will not work in this world, because we guys are the ones who are the pillars of this nation and pillars of this world of mother earth. Next point is avoid getting distracted, because getting distracted is the worst thing that you do in your life. Make a good circle of friends, not bad circle. No distractions, not using phones. Use phones for good purpose. Use phones for listening podcasts. So these things are most minute details of your life that help you a lot in your life. Don't get neglected by this. These are very minute details that if you add all this in your life, you will see changes instantly. Just do this and let me know in the comment section how you like.